Good morning from wild and wonderful West Virginia. I have arrived at my first stop of the day. I am so excited. I have so many stops planned. I'm at Hickory Tree Antique Mall, and this is all new territory for me. So let's go in and see what they got. Of course, we're near Fenton and Blanco. Look at that, those are those Viking birds? Yeah, Viking glass. $100 firm. Wow. Awesome. Look at the elephant. The elephant's $40. Oh my gosh, look at the little faces. It's a cat face. I wonder how much those are. Those are so cool. Those look like Blanco. A bunch of costume jewelry. This is fun. What's happening here? $2 each. Oh, it's got a crack in it. That's kind of wild looking. It's like a flying saucer. What are these? Interesting. Pop art cats. Very different. Definitely contemporary. Not so sure about those. Lots of jadeite here. The reproduction, but still. $20. Oh my gosh, those are so fun. Oh my gosh, the bunny bread. Everybody loves enriched bunny bread. That's so great. $18. Grab that. Let's see. Even though it's a repop, I've never seen one with the bunny bread logo on it before. What's happening back here? Oh wow, the antique mall continues. Let me get my cart. I grabbed a cart just in case. Ooh, hold up. Telephone people. $9 for the pair. I've had those a bunch, but they usually do well. Oh my gosh, look at these goofy little guys. $10 for two. And they're the figurines. They're not salt and pepper shakers. Those are pretty great. So like $5 a pop. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. And then up here I see the little football guy. $5 repaired though. Oh, this fits in Floyd is hilarious. I love the little size. $10 upside down cup. That's so cute. And then back here, see the lucite napkin holder. It's not my favorite one. It's also $18, which is about retail on that. Look at this. What is happening here? That's really cool. Multicolored homemade vase. It's really heavy. Oh my gosh, this little clock is so awesome. Love the color on that. Again at $18, I think that might be a little close. Candle holders. The cute mom and pop set. 30% off in this booth. Love the giant chalkware owl. Oh my gosh, that thing's so big. Look, it like comes up to my knee. No shortage of milk glass up here. Let's see what they got. Prices are all pretty much where they need to be, it looks like. And I don't see a piece that really sticks out to me. This is pretty spectacular. Oh, and it's pottery too. $12. Clay pottery. It's like a frog pig. Ooh, I see black glass. $35. That's really pretty. I just had one of those. $18. Oh my gosh. That's not what I thought it was at all. Just kidding. And then I love the Blendo set too. I actually have a Blendo set that Jocelyn gave me. It's so cool. It's like green and hand painted. All right. Let's keep on moving. This cat is adorable. $14. Dang, that's a little close. I don't see a discount sign in this booth. What about, what was I looking at? Oh yeah, the little beaded purse. I love these things. They're so cute. $7. Whoa, that's a neat one. Hello. Napco lady. Head base 33. She's got damage though. She's missing her earrings and has some damage to her eyelashes. Another 50% off booth. You kind of got to dig in this place, which I really appreciate. Oh my gosh, look. The Merry Mushroom. So that would be $140 for the set. That would be perfect for a collector. The cute little bunny rabbit figurine. Good grief, this Nook too. Not really seeing much that's jumping out at me though. That jumps out at me. What's happening over here? 50% off. 50% off what is the question? Dude, wait. Okay, that has damage. $149. Oh, I thought it said 49. Whew. Okay, let's check this out. So this would be $124. That's really nice, actually. This one is pretty suggestive. 58 on the Fenton. 120. What about the Indiana glass? I keep seeing these. Yeah, that makes it about what they go for. I don't know. This one's pretty awesome. This is really cool, actually. How tall is this? I sent a picture to my friend Sandy. I think that's kind of awesome. The pattern on it is just different. I'm gonna hold on to it. Yeah, I'm curious to see what she says about it. The more I look at it, honestly, the more I'm kind of into it. It's just kind of different looking. I'm gonna go back over there, make sure there's nothing I overlooked in the excitement. Wait, uranium. But that's still spendy, even after the discount. And yeah, that's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on that. More 50% off. Look at the little lamb with the shoe. I've never seen that version. That would be $6. I'll definitely take that. Sandy's still going back and forth about it. It's really cool. It's actually Fenton. I've only seen like a Fenton Ambrina vase that was around that size once. That's really, really different. No wonder I like it as Fenton. I think I'm a Fenton girl. Ooh, I'm also a lucite pineapple girl. That is a steal at $10. I'll take that. What's this guy back here? This sad bulldog. Oh my gosh. He's unwell. $9.50. Oh, he's pretty great. I'll take him. He needs a home. So, update. It's actually original Virginia glass, which was Fenton before it was Fenton. That's what Sandy says. It's the cut and block pattern. I just think the thing's neat. The more I ride around with it, the more I'm kind of like, all right, it's just gonna go live here in this cart with me. What is this dress and why am I not wearing it? Everybody stop what you're doing. Dude, what? It's like a lampshade dress. Mannequin and dress. You have to take the mannequin? What? I don't want the mannequin. I want the dress. It's probably like a t-shirt on me though. And check out this little girl. She's got her umbrella and her poodle. $8.99. I'll take that. Is that a... Oh, I thought it was a beaver. Oh my gosh. It's a bear. It's a sad bear. I will definitely take this though. $125. Duh. I did the math wrong. I think it's just gonna come with me. Let's be honest. What's happening in here? What are these elves in a cart? Hello, elf in a cart. I don't think, I think this vendor like moved or something. I don't think those are for purchase. And then the deer salt and pepper shakers, $8. Those are kind of hard to find. That's a good buy. They're in great condition. I'm gonna go ahead and take those for $8. Nice. Unusual paper mache, people. This is kind of pretty. It's really heavy. The owl picture's fun. Oh, look at this guy. He's great. $15. Ooh, what's this? It's got unusual shape to it, unfortunately. It's also got a chip. Down here, you know what I see? Wow. Oh my gosh. Sandy would freak. I've never seen a pink chessie. Unfortunately, at $180. That's probably right where it needs to be. I don't think they're far off at all. It's amazing. Not a bad way to start the day. I spent $189 in there, and now I'm back in the car, back on the road. I'll see you in about an hour at my next stop.